Some people live history, some people make it. I'm Louis Gossett Jr. with the Grace Card. It began as a protest, black against white. It grew into a movement, blacks and whites together. Brandon Saunders was a Southside Chicago high school senior, used to overcrowded, understaffed schools. Amanda Cohen lived in an affluent suburb. Her school was like a private college. One day, Brandon and friends took a train north to protest that inequality. They descended upon Amanda's school. They expected an angry reception. Instead, they found understanding. Instead of facing off, students from two sides faced the problem and did something about it. They formed the Illinois Council of Students, blacks and whites together, fighting inequality. Refusing to be played against each other, these students played the Grace Card. For Black History Month, this is Louis Gossett Jr. reminding us never to underestimate the power of forgiveness.